How to create a new Picsart account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account for your Picsart. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So Picsart is a really popular photo and video editing app where it allows you to customize different kind of photos and videos. So to create a new account, you first need to get to this login page. If you already have an account, you can continue with Google or Facebook, or if you don't have an account, just tap on create an account. Now you'll just have to enter your email address here. So once you enter your email address, tap on next, and it says the email is already in use because I have already used this email to log into my account. But if you are new, it will send you a verification request on your email. So I'm just going to sign in for now. And once you do that, it will ask you to create your password. So you'll just have to enter your password. And after doing that, you should be able to create a new account. So that is pretty much on how you can create a new account on Picsart. And once you enter your password, you should be logged into your account like this. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.